Respiratory syncytial virus, or RSV, is a common and contagious virus that infects the respiratory system. It can cause mild symptoms like a runny nose, cough, and fever, but it can also lead to more serious complications like pneumonia and bronchiolitis, especially in young children and older adults. RSV is one of the leading causes of hospitalization and death among infants worldwide. According to the World Health Organization, there are an estimated 33 million cases of RSV annually in children less than 5 years of age, with about 3 million hospitalized and up to approximately 120,000 dying each year from complications associated with the infection. RSV can also affect the long-term health of children, as it has been linked to an increased risk of asthma and recurrent wheezing later in life. RSV is spread through respiratory droplets from coughing, sneezing, or direct contact with an infected person or surface. The virus can survive for hours on objects like toys, doorknobs, or countertops. There is no specific treatment for RSV infection, only supportive care such as fluids, oxygen, and medication to reduce fever and inflammation. The only preventive measure available for RSV is a monthly injection of an antibody called palivizumab, which is given to some high-risk infants during the RSV season. However, this therapy is expensive, limited in supply, and does not provide long-lasting immunity. Therefore, there is an urgent need for a safe and effective vaccine that can protect infants and adults from RSV infection and its complications. Several vaccine candidates are currently under development by different pharmaceutical companies, including Pfizer. Pfizer's RSV vaccine candidate is based on a novel technology that uses a stabilized form of a viral protein called prefusion F, which RSV uses to enter human cells. This protein triggers a strong immune response that can neutralize the virus and prevent infection. Pfizer's vaccine candidate has shown promising results in clinical trials involving pregnant women and older adults. By vaccinating these groups, Pfizer aims to protect both the mothers and their babies through maternal immunization, and the elderly who are more vulnerable to severe RSV disease. Pfizer's vaccine candidate could potentially save millions of lives and reduce the burden of RSV on health systems around the world. Pfizer's RSV vaccine, also known as Abrysvo, is a shot that aims to protect infants from respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, a common and potentially life-threatening infection that affects the lungs and airways. RSV is the leading cause of hospitalization and death among babies under 1 year of age worldwide. There is currently no approved vaccine for RSV, but Pfizer has developed a novel approach to prevent the disease by immunizing pregnant women. The vaccine works by stimulating the production of antibodies in the mother that can cross the placenta and reach the fetus. These antibodies can then protect the newborn from RSV infection during the first few months of life, when they are most vulnerable. The vaccine contains 2 types of proteins from the RSV virus, called F proteins, that cover both the A and B subgroups of the virus, which are the most common strains circulating. The benefits of Pfizer's RSV vaccine for pregnant women and their newborns are significant. According to Pfizer's international study of nearly 7,400 pregnant women, maternal vaccination proved 82% effective at preventing severe RSV during babies' most vulnerable first 3 months of life. At age 6 months, it still was proving 69% protective against severe illness. The vaccine also reduced hospitalizations due to RSV by 78% and lower respiratory tract infections by 65% in infants up to 6 months of age. The vaccine has been endorsed by a panel of FDA advisors who voted to back its safety and effectiveness in May 2023. The FDA is expected to make a final decision on whether to approve the vaccine in August 2023, before the next RSV season in the fall. If approved, Pfizer's RSV vaccine would be the first of its kind to protect infants from this serious respiratory disease.